In this video, I will be showing you how to use AI to design, implement, and analyze employee engagement surveys to improve your workplace culture. Let's get started. I'll begin by opening a notepad where I've prepared a detailed prompt. I want to set the stage by asking Chatgpt to act as an HR survey design assistant for a growing coffee brand called Fresh Brew. I'll copy the text, paste it into the message bar, and hit enter. Chatgpt immediately understands the mission, providing a solid framework for a 10-minute survey and suggesting key categories like work environment, management, and growth. Next, I need to generate the actual survey questions. I'll head back to my notes and copy a more specific prompt that asks for a 20-question survey covering 5 distinct areas, using a 1 to 5 rating scale. After pasting this into the chat, the AI generates a comprehensive employee engagement survey. It includes a professional introduction, clearly defined sections for job satisfaction and team collaboration, and even 2 open-ended questions at the end to capture qualitative feedback. Sometimes, a full survey is too much, so I also want to create a shorter pulse survey. I'll copy a prompt for a quick, 3-minute check-in designed to be friendly and non-threatening. Once I paste it and send it, Chatgpt creates a streamlined, monthly team pulse survey that focuses on workload, support, and immediate morale. Finally, I want to see how the AI handles data. I'll copy some sample survey results I've compiled, which include average scores across various categories and common feedback themes. I'm asking for a plain language analysis and 3 specific actions to take in the next 30 days. After I paste the data, Chatgpt identifies that growth and development is a critical issue and suggests practical steps, like creating a career path map and starting monthly one-on-ones. It even provides a sample message to share with employees to show that their voices are being heard. This process turns raw data into a clear, actionable roadmap for any HR manager. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.